Today I will show you an easy way how to hard reset your Huawei P30. So for this, switch off your phone, and when the phone goes completely off, just hold down the volume up button, that's all, just the volume up button, and plug in a USB cable, not a charger, USB cable connected to a computer or laptop. And keep holding the volume up button, keep holding, don't release the button because it will take a few seconds. And this procedure will take you to recovery mode. From here you will select clear data. You can unplug now the cable, select clear data, once again factory reset, and at this point you will have to confirm yes. You will have to type in yes, just to is making sure you're not making a mistake. Factory reset, reconfirm, and the phone is resetting and you're all done.